Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. Happy Friday. Today we're going to look at Aave on many different charts against the US dollar, against Bitcoin, the true test, comparing your coin against Bitcoin. We're going to do all that today, right now, on 5 Day Crypto. All right. If you liked the video today, give us a thumbs up. If you liked that intro, leave me a comment. If you hated the intro, you're already gone. Aave on the 5 Day Gaussian channel came down after the giant move up, came back down into the channel, held perfect support so far on the median line. That's what you want to see, right? If you come into the Gaussian channel, you need to find nice support and just stay there. So we came out of it, we battled back up, closed one candle outside of it, and then right back in. Close another candle outside of it, and then right back in. So we're struggling to get out of the Gaussian channel permanently. So now we're coming back down. Well, the odds are after you break support on the top line, you're going to come down to your median line. So that number right now is roughly 288. So let's watch that for Aave for support, which held great all the way back through June and July. So after we do that, if we do that and we come back up, the odds are we're going to retest this upper line. Now you can see the trajectory of this is coming up. So look at the prices here. So if we, if we bounce off of here and then battle back up again, just like we did here, I would expect that top line to be, mid to upper fours by the time we get up there, depending on when we do it. If we can do that and then, come out of it and then close and hold that top line in support, then we could be due for another bigger move out of Aave. So that's what I'm watching on the 5-day Gaussian. Let's look at another chart. This is the daily against USDT Tether. What do we got here? Well, this is our 50-day simple moving average in the orange and our 200-day simple moving average in the purple. You can see prices have now fallen back down under the 200-day, which usually for coins you want to be, you have your price action above that. So it's struggling a little bit right now, but market structurally, this level seems to be a pretty key level. This right around this 300, just above $300 level. Look at all these, resistance back here, support here, support. We battled it a little bit right at that 200-day. Look at this. And then resistance a little bit. We played around with it again here. Now we're doing it again. So they're right around that 300 to 310 level. Seems to be a pretty key level for Aave. So I would look for support here. If we start breaking down here, we have some other things we can look at. Let's look at the weekly chart on Aave again. This is our bull market support band. You want to be holding these, and in fact, you want your 21-week EMA to be on top to have your most bullish moves. We don't have that much to go off of because Aave is a little bit newer, but I would say when we made this, that certainly these would have been flipped. But that's what we want to look for Aave, not only to flip the 21 over the 20, the red line here, but we need to hold it as support, like we did back in here. If we come down to it, you want to bounce off of it. So does this mean that Aave has broken this support? No. We still have 2.5 days until Aave closes this candle. But I do want to see our price above that $340 range right in here. 338, 340 right there. That's where we need to close above. We do not want to close a solid weekly candle under this band. That would be bad news, at least for the short term. So we'll watch this for Sunday close, 2.5 days from now. Watch this to see what prices are. 235, 238, 240, anything right around in there or higher is great. Okay. Let's look at a next chart. Our 8-week simple moving average. Most coins last run up tended to hold this very nicely. And it wasn't until we started breaking down here and closing candles under it or right below it is when we got our warning sign of that, the bigger moves were, all but finished. So now look where we are. We've got our move up again, 2.5 days. This is still a weekly chart. Now, where do we have to be here? We have to be a little bit higher to close above this one. 357-ish right now or 359 actually. Look on the left here, right? 359. That will change, right? Depending on what prices do, but roughly around that area, 2.5 days, 360 would be a really great sign. So watch for that as well. Now, the true test is testing your coin against Bitcoin. Is it going up, down, sideways against Bitcoin? that would let you know what you would want to do. Would you rather hold Bitcoin or your coin that you're in? Well, if it's trending up, I would say it's decent to hold it. If it's trending down, I would say you probably want to try a different coin or just hold Bitcoin. The only reason you're holding altcoins is because you're expecting a higher return on your investment than holding Bitcoin. That's the whole reason. If you're not expecting that coin to be better performer than Bitcoin, just hold Bitcoin. Now, Aave has been in kind of this sideways movement for pretty much all of 2021. After making that initial move up, we've just been range bound here, right? So once we're going to probably stay range bound until we aren't, right? If we break down, that would be a significant downwards movement. There's not a whole lot of support down here. If we break up, the opposite of that is we're back in price discovery, and there's not a whole lot to go off of there. So we're going to be probably in here until we're not, and then I would expect the move to continue in whatever direction we break out of. So right now we're closer to the bottom, aren't we? But this might look like we're just tiny range bound, but look at the moves here. It's over 100% from bottom to top. So pretty significant price volatility against Bitcoin. So let's watch this as we play out over the coming weeks. But if you're wondering what's going on with Aave, it's just, you can see here, sideways, crab market, right? Crab market for Aave against Bitcoin anyway. So still structurally strong. I'm a big fan of Aave. I think it has a big key playing role in all of crypto. But as far as ROI against Bitcoin right now, it's just kind of sideways. So as a project, great. As a return on investment against Bitcoin, maybe not so great, at least right now. But maybe we can, towards the end of this year, we can make another run up to the top here and then break out price discovery against Bitcoin. And who knows what we do from there. Crypto Fear and Greed Index is now at 46. 46 for fear. Still in fear after being in greed and extreme greed last week. So after our drop, we dropped down. But what I like is that we made a higher low, right? 42, now 45. So that we want to maintain this structure. If we make a lower low than 42, it's going to get crazy. It could get crazy. We're going to be back in this area for who knows how long. So we want to remain above 42, and then we can still, maybe avoid the thunderstorms and tornadoes that would be down in this area. Okay. So what else we got? We got quote of the day by Jim Rohn. Crypto meme of the day by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik. Why is he clapping like that? And car of the day, Lamborghini Vision V12. Still concept, but we got the model car right here. Very nice. Look at the way it opens. Pretty sick. I can't open it. Well, it opens crazy. This whole front is just a one-person cockpit. So this whole front opens up. The whole back opens up. And you just see one guy in the middle. You got panoramic glass. This is all flow-through. Look at the air. Just, it's all carbon fiber. Be cool if they made this. It'd probably be $10 million each. But this is the concept out of the Gran Turismo video game coming on PS5 in the not-so-distant future. All right, that's Aave in a nutshell, in a Lambo nutshell. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching this long if you have. 57 thumbs up to you. Happy Friday. Like, subscribe, all that crap. Just like the video. I'll see you in the next one.